What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get more research points and stuff like that. So first, if you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing. It means a lot because I don't have a lot. So if you did, thank you. Like, really thank you a lot. So it's really appreciated. So up with the video. So first, you're going to need. We're going to be going mining. That's the first way. So get a pickaxe if you don't have one, and get a grappler. Where is it? Okay, so we have our two things. So let's go. The grappler is not needed. It's gonna do it for purposes. So let's go. So make sure to go to mines, guys. Make sure. Sorry guys if this is taking long, but that is okay. If it's taking long. So let's go. So you're really gonna only want the golden crystals and the purple ones. So let's go. Got our pickaxe and our thing. Let's go. These give you funky things you're gonna be needing to use later. So let's gonna mine those crystals first, just to show you guys. So yeah, and you're gonna want to mine the purple crystals until you get 4 of research points, and you can't get any more. But if you get 200, 500. Oh my god, yeah, 250 company coins, then you can get an extra research point. So you can get about 5 research points in a day, but you also can buy them with real money, which I don't recommend doing, but you could still. But yeah, that's how I got my double jump you might see in videos and stuff like that. Subscribe. So yeah, guys, that's how you get more research points. But also, if you just want like more or something like that, I don't know how to explain it, but like, I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, guys, that is how you get them. And yes, I love you guys, and I shall love you even more, my little lovers. So that's gonna be the end of this video today. So see you guys in the next one.